Mark o Charis, pero gabunan, malipayon, makalingaw, malipayon mo sa inyong kahimtang karon. The heart of the sacrament is love, but this is not an emotion or a feeling. It is a commitment so that the grace of God will be actualized in your life.
To my wife, Zareth Annette Santa Monica Banwa, I promise to be your honest, faithful, and loving husband for the rest of my days. I pledge to honor you and love you and cherish you as your husband today and every day.
Dear my Poo, we shared so many amazing experiences in the past 15 years. It was full of laughters, tears, excitement, and happiness. Through ups and downs, you did not give up on me. God moves in mysterious ways. Kita judi ay ang nagkadayon.
Today, I say I do, but to me, that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side in good and bad times. And I pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor as I join my life to yours. I love you, my Poo.
I thank God for He had arranged this beautiful day for us to become husband and wife. And indeed, truly God is so amazing. Though it was a roller coaster ride, it was our love and commitment that bind us together. My Poo, I couldn't imagine growing old with someone else but you. I love you and forever.